वादग्रस्त सिली सोल्स कॅफे अँड बार ह्या प्रकरणात ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीसान दाखल केल्ली कागाळ अबकारी आयुक्तान न्हयकारली. अबकारी आयुक्तान नूतनीकरण कायदेशीर आनी वैध अशें मानलां, कारण अँथनीच्या मरणा उपरांत ती अँथनी दगामाच्या बायलेक हस्तांतरीत जाल्ली, अशें ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीस हांणी सांगलां. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Order on the complaint that I had filed against the illegally issued excise license to Silly Souls Cafe and Bar at Asagaon, which was being run by the family of Union Minister for Child and Women Development, Smriti Irani. The order is very surprising. The Excise Commissioner in his order has not referred to the illegalities in obtaining the license. He has not gone on the records that were before him. I am surprised that the Excise Commissioner Narayan Gad chose to be caged parrot of his political masters to try and shield Smriti Irani. He doesn't make any reference in the order to all the documents that were before him. I had placed before him a lease agreement where on 1st of January 2021 that property where Silly Souls Cafe and Bar is was leased by the owner to aid all the company owned by Zubin Irani, the husband of Smriti Irani. So that record was before the Excise Commissioner. I had also placed before him the records that the GST number used by Silly Souls was also in the name of that company which is run by Zubin Irani. The food and drugs license was also in the name of that company. So all this had to be taken into record, and the Excise Commissioner has failed to realize that inadequate false documents were submitted to procure this license in the name of Mr. Anthony Degama in January of 2021, and then this license was renewed in the name of a dead person in June 2022, whereas Anthony Degama had passed away on 17th of May 2021. All these are serious irregularities, acts of forgery, which the Excise Commissioner had to look into. But surprisingly, he is otherwise known as an